How to get dark mode on Snapchat, iPhone or on Android, it is the same way, so follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go ahead and open the Snapchat app, and if you tap here in the top left corner, you find no option in your profile to turn on the dark mode for the app. Even if you go to your settings by tapping here, no matter how much you look right here, you find no option to turn on the dark mode. Maybe if you go to Snapchat Plus and pay for it, you can get that feature there. However, you can get it another way. So go to your settings. First, of course, close the Snapchat app from the background and go to your settings. Now from your settings, you need to scroll down and find the display section right here and tap on it. And you need to turn on the dark mode from your settings for your whole device. If your model, you can't find it there, go to the search bar and simply search for display. You can find it there and tap on it again, or you can go ahead and directly search for dark mode, simply just like that. Now once you find it, of course, tap on it, and as I said, tap on the dark mode to turn it on, and just like that, once you go ahead and open Snapchat again, you should find the dark mode turned on. And that is it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.